plugging away at the various jobs. That's what I am doing. My friend Tessa's lost breakfast on the farm, and the chickens have obliged and provided her with 3 eggs for her keto breakfast. So in lieu of a veranda, I got this patio set, which is lovely to sit outside when it's hot. So I'm going to put the proteas I bought into some bigger pots. Time to get back onto preparing bottle bricks. So I'm going to start washing them, and then they can dry in the sun, and then I can tape them together, because the next big push is going to be, after cleaning them, is going to be finishing that bathroom wall. So this morning while I was doing feeding, Oreo was in this pen again, but he can't get out of this pen, and he can't get into the other pen. And so I have this rule, which the pigs are aware of, because they do abide to it, that I won't feed you if you're not in your pen. And I didn't have my phone with me to take footage, but he jumped over the gate over there next to the house. He jumped over that gate like a springbok. He sort of brought his front legs under, and it's like literally like a show jumper. I didn't know pigs could jump like that, but he was back in his pen in time for feeding. If I had captured that on video, nobody would have believed it, but I promise you, he's like, I've never seen anything like that. He jumped like a springbok. So I've been contacted for a free mammogram, so I'm on my way for my mammogram. Okay, so they won't do my mammogram at this mobile one, because I've had breast cancer twice and I've had a double mastectomy, so I have to go to have my mammogram done at a hospital where they have more specialized equipment than just the normal mammogram. So now I'm going to make an appointment to go and have that done. So this is moment of truth time. I was originally going to tile this table, but seeing I've been struggling to get small white tiles, I found at the Chinese shop in Fundao, they had this last bit on the roll of this really thick liner. So I'm going to see if it fits this table. If it's short, what I will do. Going to be too short. What a pity. It only covers half of, or just over half of the table. So I'll have to make another plan over there. This was the last they had of this particular kind. But maybe if I can get like a plain blue for the end bit. Even if it's a bit thinner down there, because this part is probably where I'll be doing a lot of my using it up. So these are the tiles that I've got. They're quite heavy though. I'm going to see how I am going to fit them. So they won't go right on the bottom. I think I'm going to have to put little stones right on the bottom. Maybe start from that line or from that line. Yeah. I don't know if they'll go right against the... It's a bit uneven right there, so maybe I just start from there. I'll probably just fit two, and then I'll do stones on the end. So I've made the decision that I'm going to do these white stones up to this line, because then that gives me a good sort of line to work from to do the tiles going all the way up. So I've made my mix. I've got these white stones ready, and going to do this quickly. So Nick is here today, and he's nice and fluffy. It's not you that's fluffy.
No, it's my mix is nice and fluffy, see?
Oh, it is very fluffy.
So what I'm going to do is fill in the holes in the back of your shower, because you've got a discrepancy of about that much.
Oh, it's just
so
a little bit.
So I need to fill them out a little bit every visit I come. I'll fill them out a little bit.
Okay, so Nick is the fluffy filler.
I've been called worse.
So you can see how Nick has done his mix, and so what he's trying to do is just level the wall a little bit and fill in some of the gaps. My tiles are still holding on. Rachel and Marius have come today to help putting up an electric fence inside this pen next to Cocoa Pop's pen, so that I can keep the piglets contained, because they keep getting out, although the ginger one can't fit through the sheep fencing anymore. She's too fat, but the little black one still does. So hopefully this will keep them contained. Fingers crossed. But they're being closely watched by the sows in the other pen. Little wallow to keep cool next to the water. Playing in the mud. Hey Juno, where have you been? Yes. Having a snooze under the tree, are we? We've now entered the season of endless thirst and flies. Oh my goodness, where these flies come from, Lord knows. But it's hectic. Have a look at this fly trap. It's been up about 3-4 days, and all that black you see, dead flies. So, getting closer and closer to 10,000 subscribers. So if you can help me get there by sharing this video, subscribing if you haven't yet, getting your friends and family to subscribe, that will be absolutely amazing. Cheers. I am not a beer drinker, but apple cider, nectar of the gods. Anyway, oh, my face is looking a bit dirty, and Nick said I can't shower tonight because of that plastering he's done on that wall. So I'll have to have a bit of a bucket wash. But anyway, in the meantime, stay safe, stay sane, and I'll see you on the next video.